welcome. I want to draw the same figure as you can see and finally put dimensions. So the first thing we do is to draw a rectangle of depth 50 millimeters as you can see, and then width 60 millimeters. So a rectangle of depth 50 millimeters and length 60 millimeters using line work. So I just go to front. So here I just go to front, and then on front I have line work, wireframe, 2D wireframe, and then here I'll draw the rectangle, depth 50 and then width 60 millimeters. So just select the rectangle. I just select the rectangle and then specify where to draw the rectangle. The width is 60, so I just put 60. Then I press tab on my computer keyboard, tab, and then put height to be 50 millimeters. 50, enter. So I already have my box with depth 50 millimeters. If I measure this one, you can see that the depth is 50, and then the width is 60 millimeters, as you can see. So for this one, I just put southwest isometric that way, and then after I put southwest isometric, I select the box. So I just select the box, that is rectangle, and then extrude. So I just select extrude, click extrude. You see it is extruding. The length of extrusion with the previous drawing, the one that I'm copying, is 20 millimeters plus 10 plus 10, which is 50 millimeters. So the length of extrusion is 50. So I put 50. 50, you can see it here. We have 20 plus 10 plus 20, 50. So I just put 50. 50 millimeters. I press 50 on my keyboard, enter. So this is the box that I need. If I put conceptual wireframe, you can see conceptual. This is the same box that as this one. So I go back to wireframe, and then modify my box until I get the same shape. So what I do, I just remove the first part. As you can see, we have this point here. So this is a recess. I have to put the recess, and the size of the recess is from the bottom of 20 millimeters. So what I do, I just put a rectangle on top, another rectangle of total width 60, and then depth is 50 minus 20, which is 30. So this overall range is 30. You can see this is 30. So I just go to wireframe, and then I select the top face of my rectangle. So to select the top face, if I try to draw a box on this top face, it will not work. You see what is happening. So for me to select the top face, I'll just go to unnamed, then I select new UCS, click new UCS, then at the bottom here I press face, I click face, and then select which face. It is this one, and then accept. So let me repeat, new UCS, select face, the top one, then I click top, accept. So this is where I want to draw the box. So I have the box, I draw the box on top now. I draw the box on top, UCS, face, the topmost face, accept. Then I draw the rectangle on this box. So I have 60 minus 20. 20 is the one that is remaining. 60 minus 20, that is 40. So I have width 60, 60, enter, and control Z. So let me draw it again. So width is 60, then press tab. The other one is 50 minus 20, 30. Enter. So you can see I have another box at the top here, and on this top I just select the rectangle and then extrude bottomward. From the top to the bottom is 20 is remaining, so I put 50 minus 20 is 30. Put 30, enter. So with this I need to subtract the box that I've just drawn. So I go to subtract, I click subtract, click the main box, enter, then I click the small box, enter, as you can see. So I'll repeat. Let me first remove the dimensions for now. So I can remove this one too. I'm saying for me to repeat that, I can just select the bigger object, click, enter, then I select what I've just put, enter, and then it will disappear. So with this, I almost get into my shape, but I need to have this recess. I have 20 millimeters and then 27 millimeters. So I need to draw two lines. Then I just draw a line here. Then on the line that I've just drawn, this one, select, and then I drag it. You can see move. I move it at 20 millimeters. I move 20 millimeters, put 20, enter. 20 millimeters is there. Then I select, I put another one on top here. I've just drawn, enter, then click, move again, click, I'm moving 27 now, 27, enter. So this is the recess that I need. So on this recess I'll just draw a box, on top. So you use yes, or else I can just draw the lines, just draw the line, enter, draw another one on this edge. There I have 4 lines making a rectangle. I select the line, all of them, press shift, select line 1, select the other one, and the other one, and then I join, click join, enter. So when you join, extrude to the bottom, extrusion up to 20 millimeters. You can see the depth is 20. So extrude 20, enter. So you can see. So I need to subtract this. Click the bigger subtract. Click the main object. Enter. Then click the smaller one. Enter. So as you can see, now if I put it on conceptual, you can see I'm almost getting there. So the next thing I'll do is to put the circle. So wireframe. Now I need to put the circle. So it is on this face. I select the circle and then it is at the center. So the circle is at the center. So this one will give me the center. So or I can just put the line work on this. Click this corner. And then auto mode off, I click at this corner, enter. Then I'll click at this corner. I'm getting the center of the rectangle. Then this one, enter. So this is the center where I want to draw the circle. So with the center, I draw the circle. The radius of the circle is 80 millimeters. 8, enter. And then I erase this. Erase. So I select this circle, then extrude. The depth is 20, enter. So I can also now subtract, click, enter, then click the circle, enter. So let me repeat, subtract, enter, then click the circle. I've already subtracted it. So if I view it on conceptual, you can see now it's almost there. So I go back to wireframe, and then on wireframe I want to have the rectangular shape here. So on this rectangular shape I go to line work, I click this corner, and then I click the other corner. You just want to draw a rectangle. I click another corner, and then I make a rectangle. I have to be very precise, so I'm repeating, undo, undo. So I'm repeating to draw the rectangle. So on this I can put hidden, so I will be able to draw the rectangle. Hidden, click this corner, click this corner, click the other one, and then this one, enter. So I select the three lines, the one I've just drawn. So press shift without releasing, shift. So let me put it to be wireframe, but I will be having this a time to select. Then I select three of them. Then join, click join. So my line is already joined. So this one I need to extrude the width of the rectangle, triangle. Then we measure the width must be 50 minus 60 minus 40. That is 20 divided by 2, 10. So it is 10. I extrude it at 10. So I extrude 10 millimeters, enter. So I'll just select this one and then copy to the other side. Click copy, select at the bottom edge so that you can be able to center it with the other edge. So select the center edge, the edge that you drag it to the other edge, and it is there. Then I click cancel. So if you view this one in conceptual, you see that almost get into my shape. In fact, I've done everything. What is remaining is now the bottom recess. You can see it here. So I go back to wireframe. What is remaining is the bottom recess. So it is 20 millimeter away from the end. So I just line work, click 20 millimeters, enter. And then going top is on top it is the recess is 10 millimeters, enter. And then the other one is 10, enter. And then bottom 10, enter. And then I go back to where I started, enter. So I have the box already. I select everything and join. Select the 4 lines and join. So select this one. I'm pressing shift where I can select everything, join, enter. So it is already joined. And then I extrude. The length is 60. So extrude at 60 millimeters, enter. So with this I subtract, click enter, and then I'll click this one and enter. So if I view it on conceptual, you'll see that I'm almost getting there. So it is a cleavage. As you can see, these are three shapes. We have 3 parts. This one, part 2 and part 3. So I want to join everything to be one item. So I'll just go to union and then unite. So union, then I click item number 1, I click the others, and then enter. So everything is now joined. So what is remaining is dimensions. So for dimensions, I just go to dimensions, click linear, and then I put it on the front face. As you can see, you see how it is appearing. So to avoid this, you have to select the face. So I go to new UCS, Then I select the face at the bottom here, then it is this face, accept. So when I put dimensions, now it will work. Create this face on this edge, so it is 20. Then I put the other one, so new UCS, the face is this one. I have to select the face, new UCS, face, this one, accept. So dimensions for outside, put this one. As you can see, linear. So this 10 I have to move it, drag it here. So on that face I can have this one too. Want it to be at the top. I don't know why it's moving downwards, but I want it to be at the top. So I go to the other face, we use ES2, the top face, so I select face, we use ES is this one, accept. To this one, dimensions linear, this corner, then this corner, then the final one. As you can see, and then I go to this side now, so I go to new UCS, this, select this corner, this edge, accept. So I need these dimensions from this corner here up to this one. Then I may need this one too. So I need this one. And then I need radius for the circle. So new UCS, face, top, accept. So dimensions, radius, select the circle. So you can see it is 8 millimeters for the circle. So whatever else I can put this one too. UCS, this face, UCS, this, select this, accept. Then I put that one from the top here to the bottom here. So this is 20, as you can see. So if you view the two drawings, you see that they are alike and they are the same. So with any view, you can put shades of gray. You can see that the drawings resembles each other. So anytime you are drawing a 3D, the simplest method you can use is just to draw the, I can erase this one, you can erase this one. The best method that you can use is line work, and then use extrusion, and then subtraction. You subtract and you extrude. That one will give you the main object very fast without a lot of struggle. So I can put this one also 20. So anytime we are doing an oblique, so that is okay. So anytime you are doing an oblique drawing or isometric, it's good to use line work and then use extrusion. So all these we can put them in either sketch, as you can see, or you can put them as hidden. Hidden appears that way, or you can put them as conceptual or edges, shades of gray. Thank you, and kindly subscribe to my channel.